MJ here from Sherwood Dodge, presenting you 2021 Jeep Compass Altitude Package. So this package is all blacked out. So you got the black grille, black wheels, black door handles, black mirror caps, just like I am dressed here. So this vehicle is with 9-speed transmission, 2.4 Tiger Shark engine in it. This one is, of course, 4x4. It has remote start, keyless entry, heated seats, power seats, heated steering wheel, dual panoramic sunroof, adaptive cruise control. You got 8.4 touchscreen with navigation, Alpine audio. It has Apple's CarPlay and Android Auto. That list goes on and on. But you have plenty of room here for the rear passengers. And of course, this one comes with the power tailgate as well as the hitch receiver with the rear parking sensors. Backup camera, plenty of room for the back. So just to see this vehicle in person and test drive this vehicle, and button right here to close the tailgate. Please give me a call at 780-802-4421. I repeat, 780-802-4421. Let's take this beauty on a test drive so that you can buy this one and take it home. See ya.